Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add dropshipping products to WIX website. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Right here, I'm inside your WIX website editor, and if we use the search tool and search for dropshipping, you will see a bunch of applications which give you dropshipping capabilities. But I'm going to use Modalist for this tutorial. So basically, you want to click on Modalist right here, and you want to install it if you don't have it already. So click on this Add Modalist option, and you will be redirected to this Modalist page. So as you can see right here, we have the option to find products on AliExpress and Alibaba. So you can do whichever one you want, or you can import your list here. So we can do find ready to sell products or find print on demand products. So I'm going to do find ready to sell products. And here you can choose whatever you would like to promote onto your website. So for example, I will select the perfume. So if we click on here, then we can add this to the import list. And then we can view it in the import list here. And once we have it added, then we can add it to our store as well. So it will tell us that this product is now available on your store. Go to synchronize products. So right here, if I go to sync list, then you will see that now I have this added to my store. So this basically means that now I can view it in my product list on WIX itself. And basically, I have successfully used Modalist to promote dropshipping products and import them into my WIX website store. So that's basically how you can add dropshipping products to WIX website. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.